hi! My name's Susie and this is my apartment tour video.
Ding 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 ding!
So I ended up came up with new, fresh, marvelous idea, which is speaking English while filming the videos. Yay! Because why not? It has been almost 2 years since I moved into Seoul and I'm planning to moving out in December. So I was thinking it would be really great to show you guys my place. So let's get started. Let's begin with the entrance. It's pretty small, but perfect for one person. Here's my flip-flops and trash can. It's empty for now. A mirror, this is me. Right in front of the doorway, there's a room. Can I come in? Yes, come in. Ooh, cute. Oh, there's a clothes basket. I love this Latin bag. And scale, which is I hate it. Blind. And closet. It also has a mirror. Ooh. And here it also has all the junks and cleaning stuffs like camping chair, camping table. Yeah, that's it. Next to the room there is a kitchen and living room area. I'm not a big fan of fluorescent lights, so I applied this lamp like 1 year ago by myself. I got this lamp from IKEA and I never expected like this much big. Oh, I'm starving. Anyway, I spend most of my time here. I work here, I eat here, and practice the piano here. Ta-da! And I really like the separation of working and eating spaces because it keeps me focused. Here I have some books and microwaves. Here I keep my jewelries here and fragrances. And I usually make barley tea, so I put a pot here. This is so pretty and cute. And guess what it is? The answer is refrigerator, but there's not much in here. And this is where I keep my utensils and cups. I only have 3 cups. This is for the tea. Yay! And next to the kitchen, here's my bathroom. Yay! I have like 3 different types of toothpaste. So I go to swimming pool every day, so I don't need to shower in my bathroom. So yes. Moving on to the next room is bedroom and home theater. I recently watching Gilmore Girls and I pretty like it. I love Rory. Now I really want to wrap this up and going to bed, watching some movies and preparing next day. Have a good night.